Good morning, everybody. It is the next day and it's about 8:30 a.m. So we have an excursion today at 9 o'clock. Today we're going to be doing snorkeling and we're going to go take a tour of Bahamas. My favorite things I wanted to do was go sightseeing and explore. They're also going to be taking us to a place where you could just buy a little souvenir. So I'm excited about that because I love keychains. So I'm going to go get me like 5 keychains and a shirt. And that's period. So yeah, I'm excited to do that. And the excursion only cost $108. Other excursions, they would have been like, oh yeah, you just pay to come and you have to buy the snorkel equipment. But no, they supply you with the snorkel equipment, the boat ride, they're gonna bring you to and from. We're gonna have food, like, and they're gonna take us also to two different beaches, and we're gonna go to the souvenir store. So I feel like that was a plus, that was a bonus, and I love that. We're about to get ready to go. They're coming to pick us up at 9 o'clock. So like I said, it's about like 8:30, 8:40ish now. I'm going to update you guys when we get there. We're in the van. We're about to head to our excursion. We're waiting for one more person. So when he said 9 o'clock, he'll be here at 9 o'clock, he was not playing. Like, when he was here, we came outside, he was already pulling up. Like, he wasn't playing no games. So yeah, right now we just waited. I'm excited. It's just like so many people from our background here, and they have their own businesses. It's like so inspiring, you know? So yeah, we here. Say hi.
Hey y'all.
How excited are you?
Girl, I'm excited because I never did no scuba diving in my life. Okay, like, we doing some different stuff. Black people, go ahead and get your passport and do some adventurous shit, alright?
Period. So yeah, I'll update y'all when we get to her. Alright guys, so we're on this tour about how they make rum, and there's just so much culture and stuff here. I love it here. So right now we're going upstairs and she's going to show us different things. So yeah. We're at Love Beach in Bahamas, so I thought we were gonna be going on a boat today, but we're not. We're just gonna do like a little cute snorkel. So let me show you guys my view. This is the view. Like, I'm excited. I love Bahamas so much. Like, this tour was like great. Like, it showed us like culture of Bahamas and stuff like that, and I really love that. I learned a little bit more about the Bahamas, and I'm just excited to be here. I'm excited I can come on this trip, and yeah, we're about to get this going, and yeah, stay tuned for the pictures, y'all. We are out of the water. We did not spend too much time in the water because as we were like diving, we didn't really see like fish or nothing. We just seen like, you know, blue water and like algae and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do is just chill here, tan or whatever, and we ordered some food. We're gonna get food and just chill here. Our last day, we just wanna have fun. We got to sightsee, which is like the thing I really love. Like, I feel like everything was going great until we got into the snorkeling thing. Hey guys, so we're done with our little souvenir shopping. So now we're just gonna go back to the resort. We're probably gonna go to the water park again today and just chill at the hotel. I didn't vlog, but basically I just came to the pool and stuff by myself. It's been a good vibe. I had me a mango virgin daiquiri just because, you know, I don't want to get drunk no more. But yeah, y'all, I had the best time of my life here. And yeah, I'm happy I found this place and was able to come. So right now, what I'm about to do is go to the gift shop because there was this shirt that I wanted, but I was contemplating on it because it was $60, but I like it very much, so I am gonna purchase it. So I'm about to do that now, and yeah, why not? We're in the Bahamas. We gotta live it up, and we gotta blow the bag. So I ain't about to go blow the bag, like. Hey guys, so it is about, what time is it? 7:10. Today we're going to a restaurant early. We're gonna try to go to the restaurant that we wanted to go to last night. So yeah, we just finished getting ready. So I'm wearing this dress and it's giving like, it's really giving like good vibes. I really love this hair with it though. I can't wait to take pictures in this, but this like lighting is so nice. So yeah, we're about to just go do that. I'm gonna see y'all at the restaurant. Y'all gonna see what I'm eating, and we're just gonna be lit. Like, I can't wait. And like I mentioned before, if you're not following me on my Instagram, make sure you do that. All the pictures is gonna be there. They there. Period. Go do that. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the restaurant. Tik Tok. The same place we came last night, and if you're in Bahamas and you need a taxi, make sure you call up Captain Kirk. He's on TripAdvisor. He'll take you anywhere. You call him, he coming. Like, he really give us like daddy vibes type shit. Like, he's so nice.
Picks up right then and there. Like. Right.
Like, if we wanted, like, we called him at like 7:20. If we wanted him to come at like 7:30, he would have came at 7:30. Like, he's really like the shit. But yeah, we're here. We're gonna shop around for some restaurants and yeah. She paid $12 for water last night, and this place got $1 water. Bye. Cheers to a good trip, the rest of 2021, and better friends.
Cheers to good friends and positive people, okay?
Guys, so it's the last day in the Bahamas, and we just like, you know, getting our stuff together, about to just pack up, leave. What I'm about to do now is like finish packing up and go downstairs and do a fast COVID test. test because apparently you need a COVID test to go back home. But they told me like if you're not staying more than 4 days, you don't need it. But on United Airlines, that's who I'm flying back with, they were saying like when I upload my test results that I'm not ready for travel. So I'm about to go downstairs and do my COVID test. I have an appointment at 11 o'clock, so I'm about to go do that. Go hit up the gift store and, you know, just chilling till it's time to go. I get on the plane at 2:20 to head back to New York. So yeah, like I had a lovely time in Bahamas. This definitely won't be my last time in the Bahamas. And yeah, I had a fun time, and I am so thankful I was able to come stay at the Atlantis Hotel and, you know, just live my life. So yeah, that was a plus for me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more travel vlogs. Comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I got your back, trust me. And I ain't just speaking to speak, you know this shit for real.